Good afternoon, QuickSilver people. New video, new day, lovely spring day in England today. The sun is out, which is good. We have got a car that's a little bit different today, something a bit quirky. This is a 2010 Mini Cooper S Clubman edition, so it's the estate, if you can call it that, with the awesome suicide door on the side. And we are removing the OEM factory system, or Ben, my very capable colleague, has already done that, and we're fitting this system. This is the QuickSilver Sport exhaust. It essentially removes the centre resonator, and the rear section's slightly smaller but less baffling, so you will get a more sporty sound. And we'll check it out with some clips as soon as Ben pulls his finger out and fits this thing. So there you have it, the new or old system for the Mini Cooper R55 Mini Cooper S sports exhaust from us. I need to get run over there. Click the link below for any more information, and let us know what you think. Catch you on the next one.